Here's how you can delete your YouTube watch in search history. This is the YouTube history page, and I'm going to explain in a minute how you can access this page. In this page you would see the watch history date wise, and the videos which you watched will be listed here. And in order to delete these watch histories, if you want to delete a particular video, you can simply go to that video and just click on this cross which says remove from watch history, and that video will be removed from your watch history. But if you want to remove or clear all your watch history, you need to come towards this right side, and here you can clear all watch history. Here it will caution you that your YouTube watch history will be removed from all your apps and devices, and also that the YouTube video recommendations will be reset because it is based on your watch history. But again, it says that it would still be influenced by the activities on the Google products. So you need to click this clear watch history and all the history will be removed. In order to access this YouTube history page, you can go to the youtube.com/feed and /history, or if you don't want to type this, you can simply go to this left sidebar of the YouTube, and here you can click this history tab, and from there you would reach this page in which I have already explained the individual videos can be deleted from here and all watch history can be deleted from this place. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.